Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a wine press. First, gather your materials, including sturdy lumber, 2 long threaded rods, and a pressing plate. You will also need various nuts, washers, and bolts. Prepare a safe and organized workspace. Having all your tools, such as a saw, drill, and wrenches, ready will make the process much smoother. This initial preparation is key to a successful build. Next, let's build the main frame. Cut 4 vertical posts from strong wood, each about 30 inches in height. These will form the corners of your press. Then, create a sturdy base and a matching top frame, perhaps using 2x4 lumber. Use heavy-duty bolts to firmly attach the posts to both the base and top frames, ensuring a stable and rigid structure for pressing. Now for the pressing mechanism itself. Drill 2 holes, roughly 10 inches apart, through the center of your top frame. Insert your 2 long threaded rods through these holes, securing them with nuts and washers above the frame. Then, attach a strong, flat pressing plate to the bottom ends of these rods. This plate will descend to press your fruit. Finally, let's prepare for operation. Double-check that all bolts and nuts are securely tightened, ensuring the press is completely stable. Place your crushed grapes or other fruit, ideally within a pressing bag or basket, onto the base of the press. Then, slowly turn the large nuts on the threaded rods. This action will gradually lower the pressing plate, extracting the delicious juice from your fruit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.